we're going to look at how to find the vertex of a quadratic function using the TI graphing calculator. Before we do that though, let's go ahead and look at the function and see what we know about it before we look at the graph. Since our function is in standard form, we can see that our a value is positive 15. In other words, this parabola is going to open upwards, and it's going to be a bit more narrow than the parent function x squared. Next, we see that our constant term is positive 16. This means that the y-intercept of this parabola will occur at the value y equals 16. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the graph. From the y equals screen, enter 15 x squared plus 6x plus 16. Then hit graph. On the standard window, we won't be able to see this parabola. That's due to the fact that the TI calculator's default setting is to show y values from negative 10 to positive 10 and x values from negative 10 to positive 10. Hit the zoom button on your calculator, then hit the up arrow on your cursor. This will skip to the bottom of the menu. We're going to choose option 0, zoom fit. The calculator will automatically determine the appropriate window settings to visualize the function. Then hit trace to view your cursor. We can see that y-intercept clearly now. When x equals 0, y equals 16. But is that our minimum value? In order to find the minimum value, we'll need to hit second, trace, to calculate it precisely. Since this parabola has a minimum, select option 3. The first question the calculator asks is for a left boundary. Move the cursor anywhere to the left of the minimum value. Then hit enter. The second question the calculator asks is for a right boundary. Again, move the cursor anywhere to the right of the minimum value. Hit enter, then the calculator asks for a guess. I'm going to move my cursor as close as possible to the minimum, then hit enter. The minimum value, or the vertex, is located at x equals negative 2/10 and y equals 15 and 4/10.